Throw an aspirin into the washing machine. The reason will leave you speechless. Throw an aspirin into the washing machine. The reason why will leave you speechless. Who knew that you can use an aspirin pill in such way? This tip will save your white laundry. Who could have thought that ordinary aspirin pill can compete head-to-head in performance with industrial stain-removing agents and bleaches? What should you do to avoid that disgusting gray color of the newly laundered white clothes? How to remove stains and restore the freshness of white clothes? Surprisingly, you can do this with aspirin. Here's what you need to do. Firstly, dissolve 5 300 mg aspirin tablets in 2 gallons of hot water. Soak the clothes in this solution and leave them overnight. It is best to crush the pills in smaller pieces, making them dissolve and act faster. Then place the clothes in the washing machine and add a few aspirin pills. This will restore the original whiteness of clothes. If you make these 2 steps, the results will leave you speechless. It is really better and more effective than any store-bought bleach, because it doesn't damage the fabric, but does remove all the dirt. Try it, you will be more than satisfied with the result.